My name is Big Money. Living paycheck to paycheck ain't no joke. 1 minute you get paid, and the next thing you know, you're looking at your account like, where all my money go? It's stressful, but we not doing that no more. Today, we gonna break it down real simple with 5 moves that'll help you stop living paycheck to paycheck and get you ahead of the game. So, if you're tired of feeling broke before the month even starts, I got you. Let's dive in. Move number 1, create a pay yourself first mindset. All right, first things first, you gotta pay yourself first. I know that sounds backward because you're thinking, nah, I gotta pay these bills first. But listen, you are the most important bill. Think of it like this. Every time you get paid, take a chunk out for your future self before you start paying anybody else. Here's how it works. Put 10% of your paycheck straight into savings. If 10% feels like too much, start with 5%, just something. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Like rent, you gotta pay it. The goal is to build up a cushion so you ain't scrambling when something pops off. Flat tire? No problem. Medical bill? Cool, I got this. Stacking that cushion gives you room to breathe, and it'll stop you from feeling like you gotta rely on that next paycheck just to survive. Move number 2, check your spending habits. Where your money really go. Now let's be real. Sometimes we act like we don't know where the money's going. We out here wondering, how am I broke? But we steady ordering Uber Eats 3 times a week or buying stuff we don't need. So the second move is to get real about your spending. Here's what you do. For 1 month, track everything. Every swipe, every cash app, every dollar that leaves your hand. This ain't about judging yourself. It's about finding out where you got room to cut back. When you see those little $5 and $10 expenses adding up, you'll realize that's why you feel like you never got enough. Those little habits, they add up. Move number 3, track your spending. Cut the waste. Once you got the full picture, start trimming down. Cancel that subscription you don't even use. Stop eating out so much, or bring your own lunch to work. That right there could free up an extra $100, $200 a month. And guess where that can go? Yep, right back into paying yourself or knocking out bills faster. Move number 4, build your buffer. Get 1 month ahead. This next move is a game changer. It's time to stop living for the next check and start getting 1 month ahead. I know it sounds impossible when you feel like you're barely getting by, but even if it takes you a minute, this is the goal. You're trying to build up enough so that when you get paid, it's not just covering last month's bills. You stacking up so you got enough to cover next month before it even starts. Here's how you do it. Start small. Put any extra you can into a separate account. Got a tax refund? Put it in. That side hustle money? Throw it in. Got a bonus or some extra hours at work? Yep, that too. Every dollar helps. Over time, you'll build up enough so you don't feel that panic when bills hit. Instead of waiting for the check to drop so you can pay rent, you already got rent covered. You feel me? Move number 5, get 1 month ahead. It's all about breaking the cycle. You get 1 month ahead, and suddenly you're not out here worrying about how you gonna stretch every dollar. You making the money work for you instead of you working for the money. All right, so let's recap real quick. If you wanna stop living paycheck to paycheck, pay yourself first. Stack that savings, even if it's just a little bit at first. Track your spending. Know where your money's going, so you can cut the waste and put those dollars to better use. Get 1 month ahead. Build a buffer so you ain't stressed when the bills hit. You already ahead of the game. It ain't easy at first, but trust me, once you start making these moves, you'll feel so much more in control of your money. No more sweating the end of the month. You got this. If this helped, hit that like button and share it with somebody who needs to hear it. And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to get your money right. Catch y'all in the next one. Peace.